Hey everybody, this is Amber. Thank you for joining me for another video on installing and configuring Microsoft Windows Server 2012/R2. This is Chapter 11, Activity 11-1, Installing and Authorizing a DHCP Server. So we're just gonna go through the steps here and just take a look at a few things. As you can see here, I have Server 1 open and my Server 2. I'm going to go ahead on Server 2, I'm going to open up the Server Manager. There we go. Give that just a minute to load. We'll go ahead and we're going to select Tools. We're going to go to the Windows PowerShell. Type install -Windows feature DHCP -include management tools and hit enter. Let's see here. Install, make sure that we type this right. -Windows feature DHCP -include management tools. Alright, and then let's see here, start installation. It's going to run through. That'll take some time to get all installed. Let me see, we're at 91%. So it's taking its time. And as you can see, this is quite a process. And we have true, restart needed, no, success. So it went ahead and it did that. We can go ahead and close that out. We're going to click on Tools, go to DHCP. And then you can see here, this opens up the console for DHCP. We're going to click here to expand the server node on the left pane. I'll expand it. Notice that you'll see here the IPv4 and IPv6 nodes both show check marks inside the green circles. This indicates that they're ready to provide DHCP services. And then we can right click on that. And you can see there's no option to authorize a server because it was authorized automatically, as the server isn't a domain member. So we'll just go ahead and point to all tasks, where you can see the options for starting, stopping, pausing, resuming, and restarting the DHCP services, all here on this right hand side. And then we'll go ahead and we'll just click on the IPPv4 node. Several pieces of information show up. Scope is a range of IP addresses assigned to the computers. This is just basic information for the IPv4. We'll just go ahead and go to, open this a little further so we can see a little bit more. We're going to just open this back up. And we're going to add server 2 to the domain by typing add-computer-domain. You have to be really careful when you enter these in too, because you can server 2012.local/restart and enter. Oops. Type in and our password. That should be good to go. Oops. Nope. We typed in the wrong password. I apologize. Let's go one more time. Domain name 410 server 2012.local-restart. We're going to enter the admin administrator password. And what should happen here is it should restart and allow us to then, once it restarts, log back in as the administrator on the server and then open up our DHCP console and then look at, you'll notice that the IPv4 and the IPv6 nodes will have red check marks next to them. And so I'll have to do a little troubleshooting here and take a look to see what I think it has to do with our static IP addresses that we set earlier. But basically, from there, it's just a matter of just right-clicking on those IPv4 and IPv6 nodes and changing the status on those so that, or the server nodes, so that you can authorize and deauthorize whichever ones you want. And that concludes another video.